Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How do you find out what iPad you have in 2025? Whether you're upgrading, troubleshooting, or just curious about your device's specs, knowing your iPad model is key. Let's jump right in. First off, why does this matter? With Apple's constant innovations in 2025, iPads range from the basic iPad to the powerhouse iPad Pro models, each with different features like better cameras, faster chips, and enhanced displays. So, let's get you identified. The easiest way is to check the back of your iPad. Flip it over, gently, of course, and look for the small print. You'll see a model number that starts with A, followed by 4 digits, like a 1234. That's your golden ticket. If it's worn out or you can't see it, don't worry, we've got backups. Next, head into your iPad's settings. Tap on the Settings app, then scroll down to General and select About. Here, you'll find detailed info including the model name, such as iPad Air 2025 or iPad Pro 13-inch. It's straightforward and works on all recent iOS versions. If you need more details, use that model number to look it up. Open a web browser, go to Apple's official website, and search for your model in their support section. They'll tell you everything from the release year to compatible accessories. For older iPads, you might need to check the serial number in the same About section and verify it on Apple's site. One more tip. If you're dealing with a refurbished or second-hand iPad, cross-reference with the box or original receipts if available. That way, you're fully in the know. And there you have it. Simple steps to uncover your iPad's identity. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 tech guides, and drop a comment below with your iPad model. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.